In this video, we will create a prescription using Agrian Prescription Creator. Agrian Prescription Creator is a connected software tool for prescription creation in Operations Center Web. It allows producers to easily make zones and variable rate prescriptions for application, seeding, and tillage operations. Before creating a prescription, take time to make sure you have the correct products entered in products and review your boundaries in land to make sure they are accurate. This is necessary because Agrian Prescription Creator will use this data to help generate the prescription. You can access Agrian Prescription Creator in 3 ways. Your first option is to use the field card. From the Operations Center map, select the field you want to create a prescription for. This opens the field card, which displays field information and shortcuts to other tools within Operations Center. From here, you can select Agrian Prescription Creator. Another option is to access Agrian Prescription Creator via Field Analyzer. Select the field you want to create a prescription for. Then select the Connected Tools menu in the top right-hand corner of the page. Select Agrian Prescription Creator to open Agrian with the client, farm, field, and boundary you have selected. The final option is to access Agrian Prescription Creator from the Plan menu. Let's get started. Select which prescription type you would like to create. This may be application, seeding, or tillage. In this example, we create an application seeding prescription. Select the Operations Center organization that is related to the field you wish to create a prescription for. Next, select the client, farm, field, and field boundary for the prescription. You have the option to include interior boundaries if needed. Using this option will create zones based off the interior polygons. Choose a prescription source and a layer to build a prescription based off of existing data in Operations Center. This data is used to help populate zones. Layers provide an additional subset of data from the field event. Example layers include harvest yield and harvest moisture. In this example, we will create a prescription using a field operation as the prescription source. Select the Next button to begin creating the prescription. The next page shows your zone map. 5 zones are created by default, but that can be adjusted up or down depending on the needs of your field. To update the number of zones, select the desired number in the drop-down menu and enter a value for the minimum area of each zone. Then select the Update Map button. In this example, we will update the zone map to feature 3 zones instead of 5. To adjust the size of each zone, use the slider bar or enter a value in the boxes located at the bottom of the page. Select the Manual Edit Zone button to use the zone editing tools. Use the tools to split zones or add new shapes to a zone. Select the Area drop-down menu to highlight the different zones and add your desired chemicals, varieties, or tank mixes. Notice the zones are color-coded. Mark the checkbox next to the zone number to highlight the zone on the map and deselect the checkbox to stop highlighting. We will choose Variety A. A new window will display with the following options: Area, which displays a breakdown of each zone size. Value is where you can enter the value that should be applied for each zone. Here we'll add example values for the seeding rate in each zone. Distribute allows you to evenly distribute values across all zones. Dissolve allows you to combine all zones with identical values into one zone. Delete gives you the option to delete a particular product. Use this option if you want to start over with a new product. If you would like to know the total amount of product that will be applied, along with the total number of units needed to complete the operation according to the prescription, note the information in the Total Applied section. Depending on your equipment setup, you can add multiple varieties or products with varying target rates to each zone. Select the Save button to finish creating your prescription. After your prescription is created, you can preview it by going back into Operations Center under the Work Planner tool. Select the Plan Seeding button. Select the field you wish to preview, then select Next. Select the variety and rate you have created. The newly created prescription file will appear on the Files page in Operations Center Web. Here you can share it wirelessly with a connected machine or download the prescription for use with a USB. Prescriptions can also be sent with predefined work plans when using Work Planner and a Generation 4 display. For help and more information, navigate to the Assistance menu and select Help Documentation. In this video, you've learned how to work with Agrian Prescription Creator. Thanks for watching.